Up more, babe. Up more, yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go, right there. Oh, God, that feels good.
Does this sound like something like you? Do you have horrible back pain after you work out? Do you have a hard time stretching when it comes to your upper back pain? Also, do you lay in bed thinking, where is this pain gonna go away? Well, if you answer yes to these 3 questions, stick around, because we're gonna answer them right now. So to start off with, there are many different ways that we can cause back pain to occur. It can range from doing small, simple stuff, like picking up the garbage without using your legs, and just going down with your lower back. That can cause very, very excruciating pain. Or sitting around at work all day where you have to stay stationary. If you're that type of person and you want relief, we've got the answers that are based off our experience and have helped us get rid of that nasty back pain, whether it be minor all the way up to moderate, to help us save money, not only on medical bills, but on those expensive deep tissue masseuse that can range up to anywhere from $150 to $300 an hour. Yes, I said it, $300 an hour. Here's the beginning. I've had many experiences with lower back pain, middle back pain, upper back pain. Again, I'm not bragging, but I was in the United States Army where I was an infantryman, where I walked and carried 70, 80 pounds on my back as just a regular load. So you can imagine the type of back pain that I was really imposed on. I had to really take a look at certain things that I was doing. Fast forward all the way to probably a couple of months ago. I had some excruciating back pain up here, up in my upper back area. And I didn't know what to do. But what did I do? How did I overcome this? Because I was dealing with back pain and I really wanted to get back into the gym. So I did what anybody else would do. I started to look up information. And where did I start? In the books. I started to read books about back pain. I started to look at videos about certain types of back pain. And I started to burn the midnight oil. Yeah, when everybody was sleeping, I was up researching this stuff so that I can remedy this back pain. And here's what I came up with. To start off, we have the very basic muscle foam roller, which in this case, it's pretty much smooth, okay? You can purchase this anywhere on Amazon. It ranges from $7 to $10 to $15. You pick your preference. Also, I've even heard that you can even get it prescribed from your medical doctor, and your medical insurance can pay for that roller, if that is something that you should choose to do. This one right here is for your minor back pain. Okay, and I've used it because I've had very minor back pain in my lower back area. And no matter what my wife did or what I did to try to stretch it out, it was not gonna go away. Why? Because you have muscle fibers, whenever you work out, that you tear. And these muscle fibers are torn like that. And sometimes if go unchecked, they bunch up just like that. And that's what you're feeling when you're feeling that back pain. It's your muscles knotted up. And you need actual pressure in the right places to kind of smooth this part out so you start feeling better again. So this right here is for your minor back pain, nothing major. You're just feeling a little bit of tightness out here. This right here, we recommend doing 10 minutes every single day prior to going to bed for about 3 to 4 days, and watch what happens. Magic, all right? It's just like having a new back. Basically, that's our experience. So, the second type of muscle foam roller is something of this nature right here. And no, don't mistake this for a pool floaty, because I already got in trouble trying to use this thing in the back pool. My wife kicked me out for a week. All right, don't use this for a back floaty, although it does work in case you end up somewhere and you can't swim or something like that, right? This is an 18-inch texture rolled muscle foam relaxer right here. This thing did me wonders. I'm about to kiss this guy right here, because this acts as a masseuse therapist itself, because once done correctly and applied at the right type of muscle group for the proper timing every single day, this can alleviate a lot of back pain, you guys. We recommend this for moderate back pain. Remember I was talking about those knots? Those knots are not too much heavy bunch like that, and you have actually caught it on time, so where you can use this type of foam roller, okay? This is very excellent. This is what I started doing after the initial one wasn't effective anymore, and I did not want to go to no chiropractor or anything like that and have to pay money. We highly recommend this one. Again, we're not being sponsored by these people and we're not trying to sell this stuff to you, but we are recommending it to you based off our experience. And again, ultimately, we just want to help as many people as we can get back into the gym, right? You don't want to be unhealthy. That's the whole goal, is to be fit, in shape, and free from any pain and aches. All right, let's get to the third one. So if any of this was helpful to you, please help us out by hitting the like button. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's get started to the third one, man. Hey, if you're having excruciating pain like I was a couple of months ago, you do the work too. You'll burn the midnight oil, you'll read the books, you'll take a class about what's going on with my body so that I can fix it correctly and get back into that gym. Well, this is what I came up with. When I was reading up what was going on with my low upper back area was this right here. I don't know how to pronounce the name. You guys can have a shot at it, but this was what's going on and what was affected with my upper back area. And every time I would lift up my arm to even pick my nose, I couldn't even do it. Well, I don't really pick my nose, but I'm just saying, if I was to pick my hand up to pick my nose, then it would probably hurt. But it did hurt, and I was like, man, I can't do any. The range of motion was not all the way there. And what I found out was this when I did the research, is that any time that you do a prolonged period of a workout, such as a compound movements are the bench press, okay? Anything that has to do with heavy weight, for a long period of time, you're gonna get these knots at this area. So keep that in mind, you guys. I wish somebody told me this like 5 years ago, because I would not have wasted the money to go to a massage therapist or pay for the medical bills or waste my freaking time. Come on, you guys, I would have just done this. Well, meet this sucker right here. This is the 18-inch spiky. All right, it's spiky because it's deeper. Okay, remember when I was talking about your muscles get into a knot when you go unchecked? Well, yeah, this is when it gets bad. All right, it's up knotted up like that, and these spikes are specially made to get into that muscle and go ahead and iron it out so that you can start having relief practically immediately. All right, and also the added benefit to this is that it's short and stocky. Remember the other one was kind of long? It was like, oh man, it's so long. It could be used as a floaty, right? Well, this one is nice and compact and has grooves in here. So if you were to use these, which stick around for later, we're gonna show you exactly how to use these things to get the most effectiveness out of it. They have these grooves right here to hit your lower back area. Come on, man! This is amazing, and this has definitely helped me out. In order to get one of these bad boys, you can go ahead and order it down on the link right here below. We have down there, man, and then try it out. If you don't like it, dude, I'm sure Jeff Bezos wouldn't mind, man. Just send it on back. They're gonna get it at UPS, and you'll be good to go. I'm about to demonstrate how to use these things. Oftentimes we order these things and don't even have instructions on how to use it, but we're gonna fix that right here. So I'm having some lower back pain, and I got one of these rollers off Amazon, and I'm gonna place this foam roller underneath my lower back area, and I'm just gonna ride this thing and roll it up and down. Now, the tendency is to go fast like this. All right, you can go fast in the beginning, I mean, if you're into that kind of stuff, right? But if you really want some results, you want to go kind of slow. Real slow, and putting all that weight. Wow, you can hear that crack. You hear that crack in my back? Crack like 3 times. So definitely go slow. Probably like taking about 10 seconds to even go through maybe 4 or 5 inches of square footage on your back so that you can actually feel those knots going away. And remember, this is for moderate lower back pain or upper back pain as well, okay? Just like that. Now here's a hack for you. A lot of times we have some joint pressure right here in your lower abdominal area on the side. Ooh, right there, you can feel it, okay? And this actually affects your working ability when you're working out, because if left unchecked, that knot that I was talking about is gonna get severe, and then it's gonna quite ultimately take you out of gym for sometimes almost 2 months, so 8 weeks. So we don't wanna do that. So place this foam roller on the side of your hip right here. All right, we'll start any side you want to, or the side that's troubling you the most. And basically what I said before, slowly roll it up and down, right? Preferably taking about 15 seconds to get through with that initial roll, just like that. Okay, we have the tendency to go fast, which is okay, but you're not gonna get the most out of it. Next, we're gonna use this 18-inch right here, spiky one. Why? Because we talked about that area back there where no matter what we do, unless we have a masseuse there, putting pressure on it, we're not gonna alleviate any of those knots there. So what I typically do, okay, I usually have pain right here on my left upper back. So I'll place it just like that. Wow, you can already feel the tension, and slightly roll. Now I must warn you guys, that initially it's going to be very, very painful and sometimes unbearable. But trust me and believe you me, stick with it and you will have tremendous results without paying $175 to $250 for a deep tissue masseuse, just like that, boom. And these right here are especially great to target your specific muscle group, just like this. I've been having some calf, okay, right here, tension right here, and pain feel like there's not there. Now typically I don't know how to stretch out my calves other than the normal calf stretches like that and a couple other ones. But if you're having moderate pain, I do and we do recommend using the 18-inch spiky. And all you have to do is just put pressure like that. Okay? It hurts initially, yes. But what you're really doing is you're really separating those muscle fibers, okay? And taking it out of those knots. And ultimately relieving you from that nasty pain so that you can keep training and be happy like me. See? All right. Secret right here that we're about to release, okay? This is not only for your back area. I've also used this for my neck area because sometimes, you know how you have that excruciating pain back here right before it becomes an annoying headache? Well, yeah, you can use this to remedy it. So I'll show you right away. Place that on the ground, all right? And put your neck on it, okay? And just lay it on your back and put your neck on it just like that and go back and forth. Oh my gosh, already this stuff is feeling so good. Imagine somebody massaging your upper neck area and I'll fall asleep. Wake me up, wake me up. I'm up. See, I almost fell asleep, you guys. Give it a shot, see if it don't take away your neck pain. And if you need more help with back pain and anything else that you can do to help relieve your lower back pain or upper back pain, please reach out to us. Hit us in the comment section below. And we appreciate you, Prepper Massage, for recommending this video. And this one right here is going to help out a lot of people because of your suggestion. So keep up with the comments, you guys. Let us know what you need so that we can prepare ourselves to ultimately serve you. And keep a lookout for more stretching videos and also more preventative work, so that you can keep yourself from getting injured and staying inside the gym. Yeah, oops. If you know anybody out there that's suffering from lower back pain or upper back pain due to fitness, please share this video, send it to them, do them a favor and help them out. And we also encourage everybody to invite your friends, your families to come visit us at our home so that we can become a family together and help every single person out there who is in need.